Hello students, I am Dr. Sabia Faraz from the Department of English, RCSC, Kolhapur. Today, I would like to focus on characteristics of Elizabethan poetry. During the Elizabethan age, England felt the complete effect of Renaissance, which occurred as a revival of old and classical literature of Greece and Roman, and this was manifested in the poetry of the age. This age was characterized by an extreme spirit of adventure, aestheticism, materialism, which became the characteristic feature of Elizabethan poetry also. Many poets displayed their skill in versification during this time, and England became the nest of singing birds. This period has great variety of almost unlimited creative force, including works of many kinds in both verse and prose, and ranges in spirit from loftiest Platonic idealism or the most delightful romance to the level of very repulsive realism. It was mainly dominated, however, by the spirit of romance. It was also having spirit of dramatic action as befitting an age whose restless enterprise was eagerly extending itself to every quarter of the globe. It continued to be largely influenced by the literature of Italy and to a less degree by those of France and Spain. In style, it often exhibits romantic luxuriance. The literary spirit was also of almost every class, from distinguished courtiers to company of hack writers. The literature is having variety of people contributing to the literary field. The Elizabethan period in poetry is characterized by a number of frequently overlapping developments. The introduction of adaptation of themes, models, and verse forms from other European traditions and classical literature, the Elizabethan song tradition, the emergence of courtly poetry, often centered around the figure of monarch, and the growth of verse based drama are among the most important of these developments. Elizabethan poems often contained this kind of variety of verse forms. A new poetic form seems to have inspired the flowering of English lyric poetry. The qualities which especially distinguish the Elizabethan poetry, especially lyrics, are fluency, sweetness, melody, and an enthusiastic joy in life, all spontaneous, direct, and exquisite. There are songs of delight in nature, a multitude of love poems of